So, you're thinking about banking with EQ Bank, huh? Good choice. It's a popular option for many people looking for higher interest rates and a digital-first experience. But here's the burning question: is EQ Bank actually a credit union? Let's dive in. First off, what's the difference between a bank and a credit union? It might seem like semantics, but it actually matters. Banks are for-profit institutions owned by shareholders. Credit unions, on the other hand, are nonprofit cooperatives owned by their members. This means credit unions often offer better rates and lower fees because their primary goal isn't profit maximization. Now, EQ Bank might seem like a credit union because it offers some similar perks. They have competitive interest rates on savings accounts and GICs, and they focus on providing a great digital experience. But here's the kicker: EQ Bank is actually a subsidiary of Equitable Bank, which is a Schedule I bank in Canada. So, what does that mean? Well, it means EQ Bank is regulated as a bank, not a credit union. It's subject to the same rules and regulations as traditional banks. While this doesn't necessarily mean it's bad, it does mean it's different from a credit union. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, EQ Bank offers convenience and competitive rates. You can manage your money entirely online, and you won't have to deal with the hassle of going to a physical branch. Plus, their interest rates are often higher than traditional banks. But there are also some downsides. Since EQ Bank is a for-profit institution, there's a chance they might have higher fees or lower interest rates in the future. Also, you won't have the same level of ownership and voting rights as you would with a credit union. So, should you choose EQ Bank? Ultimately, the decision is up to you. If you prioritize convenience, high interest rates, and a digital-first experience, EQ Bank might be a good option. But if you're looking for a truly member-owned financial institution with potentially better rates and lower fees, you might want to consider a credit union instead. It's important to compare different options and find the one that best suits your needs. Don't just blindly choose a bank or credit union because it's popular. Do your research and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.